India has made it clear it is ready to protect its national interests and stand up to U.S. President Donald Trump's tariff salvo. Just a day after U.S. President Donald Trump imposed an additional 25% tariff on New Delhi, India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi sent a strong message to Washington. The Prime Minister said the interests of India's farmers and fishermen will be protected at all costs, even if he has to pay a personal price for it.
हमारे लिए अपने किसानों का हित सर्वोच्च प्राथमिकता है। भारत अपने किसानों के, पशुपालकों के और मछुआरे भाई बहनों के हितों के साथ कभी भी समझौता नहीं करेगा। और मैं जानता हूं व्यक्तिगत रूप से मुझे बहुत बड़ी कीमत चुकानी पड़ेगी, लेकिन मैं इसके लिए तैयार हूं। मेरे देश के किसानों के लिए, मेरे देश के मछुआरों के लिए, मेरे देश के पशुपालकों के लिए आज भारत तैयार है।
Indian leaders have also raised question marks over China's oil purchases from Russia. Reports say China's Russian oil imports have spiked 20% compared to last month. This fact was nowhere in the picture as the recent order was signed by the U.S. president.
ये जो एक्स्ट्रा 25% जो ऐड किया जो
The additional 25% is because we buy oil from Russia. But China is buying double the amount of Russian oil than us. Still, China was given 90 days and only 3 weeks to India. If I think about it, there is something different. A message from Washington. Our government should understand and answer back. If they do so, then we will have to impose 50% tariff on USA. They cannot threaten us sitting in some other country.
On being asked why he was singling India out despite other countries like China also buying Russian oil, Trump warned there was more to come against India. Trump was asked about Washington's own purchases of Russian uranium and chemical purchases, and he had no answers. India has termed a 50% tariff on Indian imports to the U.S. as unfair, unjustified, and unreasonable. India's foreign ministry maintains that its relation with Russia was steady and time-tested, alongside a big self-reliance push by PM Modi. New Delhi is focused on other trade avenues with EU and has signed a landmark trade agreement with the UK. Well, next up, let's take a look at some of the political reactions that have come from India.
It will affect all of us. We have $90 billion of trade with the United States. If all the things will be 50% more expensive, people will think, why buy Indian goods? Our government should understand and answer back.
Trump is trying to put pressure on the country. It is very childish behavior. PM Modi has declared that all decisions will be taken in the interest of farmers, people and the nation.